Good day, everyone. It's a great and beautiful day. God will bless and surprise you today. I am Isa Elardo, a body of Hearts of Hope Society Cancer Support Group of Perpetual Health Medical Center, Las Piñas. Cancer changed my life in many ways. It made my faith stronger, and it taught me to be more patient and understanding. Because of this journey, I learned how beautiful and precious life is, and I found a family in this support group that continues to give hope. To all cancer patients still fighting, hindi po kayo nag-iisa. Keep believing, keep praying, and keep going. Your strength today will inspire others tomorrow. Happy World Cancer Day 2026 from Hearts of Hope Society Cancer Support. God bless!